Hey, it's Megan. Welcome back to another dollar store DIY video. This time I'm sharing multiple ways you can lighten up your patio, garden, your outdoor space using Dollar Tree solar lights. Now, for the majority of this video, I will be using the 3 standard styles of solar lights that Dollar Tree sells. Although I do want to say you can use any style or any brand of solar lights for all of these hacks. And with all that said, we're getting started right now. This first idea is for anyone and everyone. If you have a tabletop, you just need a little bit of extra lighting. All you have to do is snatch up some of Dollar Tree's glass clear candle holders. The cool thing is these solar lights fit perfectly into these candle holders. No hot glue is needed. Dollar Tree also carries all kinds of styles of glass candle holders, and different styles of candles and different styles of solar lights will give a different effect or look. You know what's crazy is that solar lights are the exact same size as most taper candles, meaning that any taper candle holders you already have on hand will fit your solar lights perfectly. You don't need to buy anything new, and now you have some nice elevated lighting for your outdoor party or everyday use patio space. Are you looking for an idea that looks a little bit more intentional than just sticking a solar light in a candlestick? No worries, my friend. I got you. Snatch up a few of these plastic buckets from Dollar Tree. Poke some holes in the bottom. I'm using my hot glue gun. It's the easiest way in my personal opinion, but you could totally use a drill. Or omit this step if you're not going to use real life flowers. Now, just to let you know, Dollar General does sell $1 solar lights. They are slightly smaller than Dollar Tree, but for this DIY, I think they work great. They match the little bucket we already have, and hey, saved us some money. Now, the great thing about this idea is that you can use this on a patio where you have a little step you don't want someone to trip over, or you can use a plant hanger and hang this, or snatch up some of Dollar Tree's garden hooks. They come in a pack of 2, and you can put this on your fence. I love this works for everyone in every situation, really. And the great thing is it's a solar light. So yes, it lights up. It looks like a solar light at night, but this time it's lighting up some beautiful florals or whatever you're filling your bucket with. I think this works for everyone. Are you looking for something a little bit less decorative and just totally functional? Hey, no worries. I got you there too. Snatch up some of Original Super Glue brand permanent tape. Put it on the back of your solar light and then put that on your siding or your fence. Now, I do want to let you know, when they put permanent on that package, they're not fooling around. So when you go to remove this from your siding or your fence, you will need to use Goo Gone or some type of strong adhesive remover to get it off. Now, this next idea is it's totally my favorite out of the entire video. I love the way this turns out. All you need is any medium to large size planter, and then snatch up a broomstick from Dollar Tree. Grab a pool noodle, which can also be found at Dollar Tree, but hey, word to the wise, Walmart's actually cheaper. They're still only like 94 cents for a pool noodle. Wherever you buy your pool noodle from, it really doesn't matter. Just cut it down into multiple pieces, put one piece on the end of the broomstick, and then hot glue that to the bottom of your planter. Put the remaining pieces of pool noodle to the bottom of that planter as well, like loosely, no hot glue is needed. Add some potting soil. So the extra pieces of pool noodle are saving us money on potting soil. Potting soil can get so expensive. Add your florals, and then all you have to do is add a solar light to the top of your broomstick. Now, for this DIY, I used a beefy solar light from Walmart. It was only $5, so what? I paid $4.75 more than I would have paid at Dollar Tree. No, wait, $3.75 more than I would have paid at Dollar Tree. Forgive me, my math is not the best. Either way, I love the way this looks. I love the way this turned out. A lot of DIYs they give to neighbors. This one's I'm totally keeping for myself. Now, a similar idea is you can go to Walmart and snatch up 2 to 3 of their dowel rods. It does not matter the size. What matters is the dowel rod is skinnier than the bottom of the solar light. And the cool thing about the dowel rods is you can paint them to match your solar light. They can easily be cut down because they're not super thick, but they are sturdy enough to stay in the ground and not warp in just one season. Or for a different look, try Dollar Tree's globe solar lights. I really love the way this looks. This looks really nice. Or another idea here for you, just spitfiring things out at you, is to use one of Dollar Tree's wine glasses. It's really cool. A lot of Dollar Tree items fit together so well, and the bottom of a wine glass is the same size as the top of a standard size solar light. Most of us have spare jelly lids or salsa jar lids laying around our house. Well, hey, don't throw those away. Spray paint those or hand paint those the same color as your solar light, then hot glue your solar light to the lid. Now you can just use your solar light just like a candle. So you can put it in a lantern or a hurricane vase. No matter how you want to use it, it looks really cool, especially at night outdoors, and it's a little bit more safe. You guys are partying, hanging out, and you don't want flames all around you. And did you know that solar lights can be easily painted to the color of your choice? So if you purchased a silver solar light, maybe you want it pink or blue or gold in my case. You can easily spray paint them. You just need to tape off, it doesn't matter what type of tape, the clear part and the solar light part. I love spray painting. You can totally hand paint, but spray painting, you can just stab it in the ground and let it dry and then forget about it. That's my painting style of choice. Or you can pick up some of these glass candle holders from Dollar Tree. Put the solar light on the top. It fits perfectly. They even have red and green, which would be perfect for Christmas. And if you can't find the style, no worries, my friend. These style of candle holders are actually new to me, but Dollar Tree has 1,000,005 different styles of candle holders that you can use just the same. And for this next idea, it's my favorite. It's my favorite as far as how it looks during the day and at night. I will say that. All you need is one of Dollar Tree's 3D wreath forms. They do come with the materials to put the 3D wreath form together, but in my experience, it's actually easier to use zip ties and more safe. I've cut myself using the metal piece they give you to put the 3D wreath form together, but to each their own, put it together however you want. And this comes in a small size and a large size. It doesn't matter what size you use. Cut off a piece of pool noodle and hot glue that to the bottom of your wreath form. Cut down the bottom of your solar light. This can be done with regular sharp kitchen scissors. It's really not super hard to do. Then stick your solar light bottom into the pool noodle. Now, if you're using a green pool noodle, you can totally omit this step. I'm using a red pool noodle. That's what I had on hand, and I didn't want to go out to buy anything new. Or if you're using green floral foam, you can omit this step just the same. Then all you have to do is snatch up some Dollar Tree or Walmart florals. Right now, Walmart is annihilating the game. They have so many great options for faux florals to choose from. And the cool thing is no more hot glue is needed, y'all. You can just take the end of your stems, wrap it around the 3D wreath form, or stab it directly into your pool noodle that we're using just like floral foam. And that is it, my friend. This DIY is totally finished. To hang it up, you can use a garden chain or twine, really whatever you have on hand. And that's it. I love the way this looks during the day. It's beautiful with the lights on, and it's just as gorgeous with the lights off. This would also be just as gorgeous using a flameless battery-operated candle. Beautiful. Can I brag on myself for a second? I really am proud of the way this turned out. Now, I do have 2 other options or quick ideas for you. One is to make a solar light tabletop taper candle. You just need 1 pack of Dollar Tree's wood pallets. They come in a pack of 6. You're going to hot glue the bottom of the solar light to your wood plank. Paint the wood plank the same color the solar light. Bada bing, bada boom. Tabletop candle. Or you can easily just stick a solar light in any planter you have on hand, whether it's hanging or a floor planter. This is a great way to light a pathway or to light the top of your patio. And hey, that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're totally digging and you're ready for summer, looking for some more inspiration, please check out my friend from the Latina next door, Yami. Her and her husband totally made over their back patio space. I was blown away by this video. They did it all themselves, from planting grass and planting flowers. A lot of inspiration here. Her video will be linked in the description. And also, side note, she has a giveaway going on until, I believe, April 1st of 2022. So once again, that is it, my friend. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you next time.